Now, let's move on and introduce the filters. If we look at the Purifull showerhead, we've got two filters. We've got a primary handle filter and we've got a secondary head filter. These filters need to be replaced. If we look at this box here, you'll find that we get 3 primary filter handles and they need to be replaced every month. So you'll get 3 in the box and you replace them 1 every month. The second, or the secondary head filter, comes in 1 box. It's 1 filter and you need to replace that filter once every 3 months. Now, that might change depending on the quality of the water that you have in the house or the pressure that the water comes out at. If you find that the color changes significantly, then you need to replace the filter as soon as possible. Now, let's move on to replacing the filters themselves. Replacement of the filter couldn't be easier. We've got the primary handle filter and we've got the secondary head filter. What we're going to do is replace the primary handle filter first. All we're going to do is remove the filter by twisting from left to right until the handle comes off. Place the head down, turn it upside down and pull out the filter. Take a new filter from the box, remembering not to replace it with the old one, and put the new filter back inside and then twist again from left to right, making sure to make a tight seal. Next, let me explain how to replace the secondary head filter. First of all, you're going to hold the handle. You're going to twist the filter head again from left to right. The head will come off. Next, you're going to twist it and allow the filter to come out. As you'll see on here, we've got Purifull filter across the front. Again, you're going to take a new box, taking out the new filter, and then you're going to replace it here. You must be careful now that the lines match up and that it says Purifull going across. Next, simply replace the cap, this time screwing left to right, again making sure that we have a tight seal. When you replace the second filter, you must make sure that it's reading across the front, otherwise the filter won't work properly. Very important when you're changing the filter. If the filter head is difficult to open, it might be because the water pressure is too high. The best way to solve that is to unscrew the head from the handle, let the water come out first, and then you should find that it's much easier to open the head.